Is that too close or is that okay? We're going with okay. We'll go with okay. What is going on with my hair? Let me shut this door, it's a bit noisy. Hi everybody. If you want to see what I've been up to this week, then keep on watching. Welcome back if you're a regular watcher. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name's Alexandra. I'm on the admin on Crochet Beginners group on Facebook. I will leave the link down below. We have over 146,000 crocheters as part of our community, so have a look, give us a join, and you'll be well away in your crochet journey. I failed last week because I didn't make a video. I'm very aware. I was doing so well of doing these videos every week. Sorry, excuse the state of me. I've just got back from my caravan, like literally just got back. It's bank holiday Monday, so I've been down there all weekend. I went straight from work on Friday. And it's been an absolutely beautiful weekend. Weirdly, so I live in Bristol, my caravan is in South Wales. There's only about 40 miles in between the two, with like the Severn Estuary in between. I don't know when it turns into sea. I don't know if it's still classed as estuary. In between and a bridge. There was blazing sunshine. Here yesterday was absolutely bucketing it down. So I rang my mum last night and she's like, oh, what have you done today? Because the weather's not been very nice. I said, Mum, it's been absolutely glorious all day. And she went, yeah, right. I was like, no, honestly, it was blazing sunshine. So I look like a bit of a tomato as well, because I caught the sun a bit. But yeah, it was really weird. So it was like blazing sunshine there and chucking it down here. And a few of my old work colleagues were doing this Bristol to Bath walk yesterday, and I saw some photos and I messaged one of them. And he was like, I am cold, I am tired, I need to get in a hot bath, I'm like just soaked. I was like, well, it's been lovely here, 40 miles away, over the water, over the Severn Bridge. But yeah, so I've had a really nice weekend in my caravan at the seaside, doing all the seasidey things, and I really needed it because it's just been last week was just really stressful and anxiety inducing for me. So I left my old job a week on Friday. It was really hard. It was really emotional. I spent the whole shift sobbing. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, it was really sad. But it was really lovely. Like, the staff all had a collection. They got me some beautiful gifts. They got me like a personalised pot for my garden. It's inside my house. I'm currently down the bottom of my garden. So I didn't bring it out. But they also got me, look at this. This is already packed for my lunch tomorrow. This bougie lunch bag. And that is so me. They know me so well. It's even got a strap. It is so cute. So if any of you are lovely guys and girls are watching, I love it. And actually I had this in the fridge in my new place of work the other day, and someone was like, who's that bougie lunch bag in the fridge? I was like, oh, that's mine. Absolutely lovely. And they got me chocolates, they got me flowers, a service users made me cards. It was just, yeah, I was crying. Some of the service users were crying. It was just really, really difficult. And then I started my new job on Wednesday just gone. So I've gone from working in the criminal justice system to perinatal. So mums and babies, I love it. I absolutely love it. It could not be more different from working in secure services. It is poles apart. So I've gone from a 12 bed male acute ward in secure services to a perinatal team, and it's just so nice. Like Friday, I did messy play with the nursery nurse, and we did, you know, when you mix the old corn flour and water, I used to do it in science, I've forgotten what it's called, and it makes that stuff that's not a solid and not a liquid. So we did messy play with the babies. It's just so nice. It's so chill. it's already been really rewarding, and I've only done 2 shifts of supernumerary. It's just such a lovely place, and the staff are so nice. Like, one of the nurses messaged me before I started and said, do you want a lift because you live around the corner from me? And weirdly, we recognise each other, and now we know why, because our youngest kids were in the same year in primary school, so that's where we know each other from. She's literally around the corner from me. So yeah, that's what I've been up to, and that I kind of didn't film a video last week because I was really stressing about starting this new job, but it's been lush. The only downside is they wear scrubs, and I'm so annoyed because where I worked in secure services, there wasn't a uniform, you can wear what you want, but no dresses, no skirts, and I was like, oh, I can't wait to go to this mother and baby place because I can then wear like a pretty dress in the summer. No, they're in scrubs. And I got some scrubs, and obviously because I'm short, my scrubs are always 20 times too long for me, so the other night I had to hack the bottoms off and shorten them. But anyway, that's work wise, it's gone really good. So I haven't shown you, crochet wise, an update of my cowl. I think the last time we met I was doing the waves, so this is week 1. So I've shown you this already. It's Sirdar Blossom and Buds crochet along. So this is week 1. There's still time to take part. There is a flower that you make separately to go in this blank space here. And then week 2, I need to sew it together actually, was the wavy bits, which I did one okay, and then the second one really, I don't know why, I really struggled with the second one. When I did the first one, absolutely fine, and the second one is just, this must be the second one. The first one was just a bit shorter, so I don't know why I struggled with that. And then last week's, this is probably one of my favourite parts, was the tulips. So that was really easy. I banged through that one really quickly. And then this week I've only done 1 panel so far. I haven't even finished it because it was driving me mad. And I've got to make another one of these, but bigger. Sorry, so I just need to do a few rows of trebles. Where are we? Where's the top? There. These things. Honestly, it drove me insane. I was going ballistic on Saturday night because I couldn't get the stitch count right, and I ended up with like 2 extra stitches. So this is after counting it 100 times. I was like, right, you've definitely got 2 extra stitches. So I did a row where I crocheted 2 together twice just to get rid of these extra stitches, and then I was 1 short. I was like, no. So I don't know what happened there. So I pulled it back again, and then I just crocheted 2 together once, and it sort of worked out, because I thought because you make these white flowers as you go, and it was really fiddly. I was like, no. So I've got another one of these to do. I'm not going to get it done by Wednesday because I'm on a long day tomorrow and Wednesday. I've got 2 long days on the bounce. So I've got another one of these to do, and the other one's bigger. This is the shorter one, and then obviously I'm going to have to join it all together because I haven't done that so far. But if you want to give it a go, it's the Sirdar Blossom and Buds crochet along. I would say if you're a beginner, do not even attempt it because it will make you cry. It made me cry, and I'm quite an okay crocheter. Yeah, it was this one really threw me. But that's what I've been up to. I don't think I got any other news. So I'm working Tuesday and Wednesday, and then I am off. So my shifts, so part-time. I am part-time, but they do only do long days, so it works out as 2 shifts a week, which is really nice. So I got 2 shifts on the banks, then I'm done for like literally I've got a week off that's not annual leave or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna film. My plans are Thursday and Friday to film some tutorials. I'm gonna have to think what to do. I think I know what I'm gonna do. I think I might do a top. Yeah, I'm gonna do the top. So now I've put this out there, I'm gonna have to do it. So I will put that up on YouTube next Sunday. A really simple top. That's what we're gonna do. Sorry, I'm thinking out loud here. Anyway, that is it. I'm gonna go. I've got tons of washing to do. I need to take my sheets off the bed. Because obviously I went straight from work on Friday down to my caravan, so I've done nothing. My house is a mess, so I need to go and sort that out. So I hope everyone has a lovely rest of the week. If you made it this far to the end of the video, well done you, gold medal, because it's a bit of a ramble. And I will speak to you all next week. Take care, happy crocheting.